Welcome back, children. Let us continue with Chapter 3, Part 2. Today, we'll discuss about divisibility tests. What are divisibility rules? Here you can see the divisibility rules of some numbers are given. We'll discuss them one by one. Now, a divisibility rule is a set of rules which tells the number is divisible by the other number without doing any division. A number is said to be divisible if on dividing the number by that number we get the remainder 0. In this video, we'll discuss divisibility test by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit of the number is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. See here the example 1. The number is 5876 and the digits of the number are 5, 8, 7 and 6 and the last digit is 6. So as we have seen the rule that the last digit of the number should be 24680 to be divisible by 2. Here the number is 6. So the number 5876 is divisible by 2. Second example, the number is 760. The digits are 760 and the last digit is 0. So 760 is also divisible by 2. Now the third example, 5637. Now here you can see the last digit is 7. Since the last digit is 7, so 5637 is not divisible by 2 since the last digit is not 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Now divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Now you can see the example 387. Now you sum the digits. The digits are 3, 8 and 7. So 3 plus 8 plus 7 on adding you get 18. Now is 18 divisible by 3? Yes, because 3 6 are is 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. So the number 387 is also divisible by 3. Now take another example. The example is 566. Now add the digits 5 plus 6 plus 6. So 12 plus 5 that is 17. Now is 17 divisible by 3? Is 17 coming in 3's table? No. 17 is not divisible by 3. Hence the number 566 is also not divisible by 3. Now let us check the divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits of the number is zeros or form a number which is divisible by 4. Now let us see this example 87,364. Now you can see the last two digit is 64. Now is 64 is divided by 4? Yes. 64 on dividing by 4 it gives the answer or the quotient 16 and the remainder is 0. So it is completely divisible. So 64 is divisible by 4, hence 87,364 is also divisible by 4. take another example, 9137. Now the last two digits of the number is 37. Is 37 divisible by 4? No, 37 is not divisible by 4 because it will not give the remainder 0. If you divide 37 by 4, you will not get the remainder 0. Hence, 37 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, 9137 is also not divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its last digit is 5 or 0. Now you see this example. The example is 4525. You can see the last digit of the number is 5. Hence the number is divisible by 5. That is 4525 will also be divisible by 5. Now take another example, 980. The last digit of the number is 0. So 980 is divisible by 5. Now take the third example, 2892. Now you can see the last digit is not 5 nor 0. It is 2. So the number 2892 will not be divisible by 5. Now let us see divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So to check the divisibility by 6, you have to check divisibility by 2 as well as divisibility by 3. Now let us take an example, 708. Now the last digit of the number is 8, hence 708 is divisible by 2. Now let us check divisibility by 3. You have to sum the digits of the number, that is 7 plus 0 plus 8. On adding, you get 15. Is 15 divisible by 3? Yes, 5 threes are 15. So 708 is also divisible by 3. Now you can see 708 is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Hence, 708 is divisible by 6. Now let us check divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits of the number are zeros or form a number which is divisible by 8. Now in 4 we have seen last two digit. Here we see the last three digit of the number are zeros or form a number which is divisible by 8. Now see the example 57,000. Now in 57,000 you can see the last three digits are zeros. Hence 57,000 is divisible by 8. Now take another example 9,824. Now see the last three digits. The last three digits are 824. Now if you divide 824, is it completely divisible? Yes, we get 103 as the quotient and the remainder 0. So 824 is divisible by 8. Hence the number 9824 will also be divisible by 8. Now let us check divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9 is similar like 3. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9. Similar like 3. So here the example is 74,916. So you sum the digits of the number 7 plus 4 plus 9 plus 1 plus 6. On adding, you get 27. Now, is 27 divisible by 9? Yes, 9 threes are 27. So, the number 74,916 is also divisible by 9. Another example, 9,999. Now on adding this, the digits of the number 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, that is 9 fours are 36. So now on dividing 36 by 9, you get 9 fours are 36. So you get 4 and remainder 0. Hence the number 9,999 is also divisible by 9. Now divisibility by 10, very simple. A number is divisible by 10 if the last digit of the number is 0. You have to just see that the last digit of the number should be 0. Now 7,280. Now you can see here the last digit is 0. Hence 7,280 is divisible by 10. Another example, 86,000. Again, you can see the last digit of the number is 0. Hence, 86,000 is divisible by 10. Now, the other example, 766. Now, 766, the last digit is 6. So, the last digit is not 0. Hence, 766 is not divisible by 10. Divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of the digits in odd place and sum of the digits in the even place is either 0 or divisible by 11. Now let us see this example, 1265. Now the odd place is first place, third place, and the even place is second place, fourth place. As you all know that even numbers are numbers divisible by 2. That is second, fourth place, sixth place are the even places. Now you just have to add the numbers in the digits in the odd place and the digits in the even place. So sum of the digits in the odd place is 1 plus 6, 7, and sum of the digits at even place is 2 plus 5, 7. Now on subtracting the difference, that is the sum of the difference of sum of the digits in odd place and sum of the digits in even place should be either 0 or you get a number which is divisible by 11. So here you can see that you get on difference, that is on subtracting 7 minus 7 you get 0. Hence the number 1265 is divisible by 11. Now, if you get a number which is multiple of 11, suppose 11, 22, 33, then also the number will be divisible by 11. Now, this is your homework. You have to check the divisibility of these two given numbers by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. You can make a table and do. You can do it in a tabular form or you can just write one number, one after the other. You can just check by divisibility by 2, then you can check divisibility by 3, and you have to write the reason also why the number is divisible by 2, why the number is divisible by 3. You will just write the rules and solve and then show. So you will do first question 6305 and then 1404. Thank you children. Enjoy learning.